In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio on Soundation. We'll keep this simple and clear. By the end, you'll know how to log in, open a project, and capture your voice using the built-in recorder. Start by opening your browser and heading to soundation.com. On the homepage, select the Login option and choose the account you want to use. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can either create a new project or open one you've already started. If you're beginning fresh, create a new project and give it a name that helps you recognize it later. If you already have a project going, simply select it to continue. Think of a project as the container that keeps your recordings and related assets organized in one place. Inside your project, look toward the top area of the screen. You'll see a red circular button. This is the record button. You can click that button to start recording, or, if you prefer a shortcut, press the letter R on your keyboard. The very first time you record, your browser will ask for permission to use your microphone. When that prompt appears, choose Allow. Without permission, the site can't capture your audio, so don't skip this step. After you allow access, recording begins right away. Speak clearly and at a consistent distance from your microphone for the best sound. If possible, record in a quiet space to reduce background noise. You'll know you're actively recording because the interface indicates the session is in progress. When you're ready to finish, click the same red button again to stop recording. That action ends the session and places the captured audio in your project, ready for you to use. If you're done for now, you can leave the project as is. The recording remains part of your session the next time you return. That's all there is to it. Log in at soundation.com, open or create a project, hit the red record button, or tap R. Allow mic access if prompted, speak your piece, and click the red button again to stop. Follow these steps and you'll be recording clean, usable audio in just a few moments.